polio. Usually when we bring the topic of vaccinations, that they are not good for health, they are poisonous, they often say that we used to see so many cases of polio earlier on, but since we introduced the polio vaccine, we do not have paralysis polio anymore. So is the virus causing the polio disease, and is the vaccine effective in preventing that? I would like you to throw light on this.
So there is no evidence of a polio vaccine, a virus ever that has been. I stake my entire reputation and career on that. And besides that, with polio, it turns out that lead, arsenic, and DDT both cause paralysis, and they target the anterior horn cells of the nervous system, exactly the site where the virus allegedly attacks. And so they, at the time of the polio vaccine, they got rid of lead arsenic and DDT, shipped it to India, by the way. And so then they got their polio epidemic, and then they stop, and then it's acute flaccid paralysis because those stupid Indians, they don't know anything. I mean, this is a scam. Right before the vaccine was rolled out, in order to get a diagnosis of polio, you had to have an acute illness and paralyzed for 1 or more days, right? So anybody with an acute illness, paralyzed, that was polio. After the vaccine, they changed the diagnosis to an acute illness, and you had to be paralyzed for 4 months. So 97, 98% of the people who you claim have polio don't have paralysis for 4 months, so you get a 98% reduction just because you change the diagnosis. Then, for instance, India in the last decade has had 300,000 cases of what they call acute flaccid paralysis.
Yes.
What is the diagnosis of that? An acute illness followed by paralysis. That's polio. What about Guillain-Barré syndrome? I saw lots of people with Guillain-Barré. What is the diagnosis? An acute illness followed by paralysis. This is a scam. They did it with COVID. They do it with smallpox. They do it with measles when they want, because these are not specific diseases. That's the scam. When they want to say there's an epidemic, chickenpox, measles, monkeypox all become smallpox. And when they want to say that we got a vaccine and the epidemic is over, smallpox is gone, and so now it's monkeypox and chickenpox and measles and scarlet fever, etc. Like I say, it's a good gig if you can get it, and you're a moral degenerate.
It's kind of like, so we have iPhone 11 and then 12, then 13, then we have the Pro version, the Ultra Pro version, and this is how you make business out of it.
Yes.